Niall. Back that ball.
Come on, Vikings.
For the Nick. Okay, did this other team just finish the game also?
Good job.
And rested.
He has something on now, you know that?
Oh, is that the well, they were practicing back there, I said. I don't know that they actually rested. But...
They said that was better as well.
Oh yeah, he asked me if I did.
On the line.
Are you going with your spinnies? Faster move next time, Valeria. Faster. Okay, stay together.
Valeria.
Stay off the pitch. Come on this way.
The other is Niall. The number 2 is Niall. This guy here must be marked.
Sit him down, Nico. Don't let him turn, son. Don't lay off him, guys. You need to get that ball to win this game. Nice.
There you go.
Nice.
Oh!
That was in. But he...
Corner, corner.
We need that ball. Let's get this ball.
He deflected that one. I was going in.
Cross it!
Yeah!
Great shot.
Good pressure, good pressure.
That's how to use the D against himself.
We know what you meant.
I know what
It didn't come out right, but I know what you meant.
You want some? Estaban de los Vikings también. Ellos ya jugaron. Ellos eran los que están jugando.
That's it.
Stop a guy.
I can't read that kid. He's got glasses.
Closer, Valeria. Closer him. Closer him. That's it.
Great ball. Lovely.
Niall.
Oh,
Beautiful shot.
Nice shot! Nice shot!
Bring the goal in now.
Bien, bien, bien!
Good job, right?
Watch the attack, Niall.
Great pass.
Oh, that's all right.
Unlucky, unlucky now. Please stop, come on.
Oye, ¿tú crees que alguien te compró eso?
Nico, pay attention.
Watch the mistake. There you go. I watched it. Watch for the drop. Drop it. Nice. Drop it.
And now.
Unlucky.
Good, good.
Get ready, Nico. This is your ball right here. This is your ball right here.
Front of the box. Put the front of the box.
Don't let him set up, guys. Don't let him set up. Rapidito, rapidito.
Space now, space.
There you go.
There's a great
Way to be there. Great
Good
pass.
positioning, guys, and nice pass.
Niall, do a job, guys. Watch the fake. Watch the fake.
2-0. 3-0 or 2-0? 3-0. Okay. I missed the first one.
Blue's got 2 and
I think Nico got one.
And one on goal.
Oh, and he hit himself.
Yeah, this boy here is score 1 and the other Valeria score 2.
Dale.
Hurry.
There you go. There you go. It's all right. Stay with it. You got numbers. You got
Drop, drop,
numbers.
drop. Nice.
That's all right.
Good job, good job.
Watch for the mistake now. Watch for the mistake. He had 3 jerseys yesterday. What's your dad let you? You don't work, so I know you did. Come on, man.
Great D, great D. Get in position. Get in position. That's all. Good job.
Good run now. The 6v6 habit. Long cuts.
No pressure now. You're doing great. Okay.
Right, Papito. Keep eye on.
Nico, left side. Left side, Nico.
It's coming to him.
Drop.
Drop it, Nico.
Drop it, Nico. Nico, drop it.
Hey, Nico, win this ball.
He didn't do anything. The guy he's throwing himself on the floor.
I'm trying to hustle.
Hurry up, Tony.
I think he's learning too much from Neymar.
I want the summer camp. Come here. Look at me.
Ooh, nice shot. Beautiful.
Good shot.
Good shot, boy.
Yeah, because of all the white.
Just eat it. Okay.
Never hold it.
Eat it. Don't play with it. Just eat it.
Because everybody's telling us to do something different.
That's good. Go now. Hit it now. Unlucky.
Yes, I'm sure you went in the lead. I'm
Middle.
They're supposed to come back. I told the guy he was within 5 to 20.
Drop back now. Drop back. Drop back. Drop back. Drop back now.
Get in position. Get in position.
This was a foul.
Anybody over here drive a green expedition? No, ma'am. Thank you.
Move up, Niall. Move up, Niall.
Get ready, Tony.
Listen up, Tony. Hold on.
Hurry up, Tony. Drop it.
Not mine.
Back to him. Back to him. Ah, nice. Be ready for that pass coming back to him.
Nico, cut. Go.
Nice ball.
Handball. Good call, ref. Good call.
Get taken. Be looking for it, guys.
Ahí sí va el árbitro.
Well done, Nico.
Vikings 10, and we're short a few, but I will find them.
Guys, got one touch. One touch. There we go.
Niall, hurry up.
Tony, más espacio.
Okay, reset fast.
Nico's got that Tavares thing going down.
Beautiful.
I would love to see how they drop like in slow motion. Can we do that in slow motion?
No,
Yeah.
but he
Like they do in the real game?
Yeah.
I don't know, to
He's
see
not
that.
fast enough.
Yes.
He's using his hands because he's not
Too much Champions League.
There you go.
Okay, reset, guys. That's it. Good job, Tony.
Come on, get it.
Hey, quick,
Here,
get
here,
ready.
here.
Get back to you. Get it.
Be ready, Tony. Be ready.
There we go. Go.
Again.
Surprise them. When you take a shot, relax.
Hey, spread out,
Tony,
guys.
pull the right one up. Pull the right
The right
suck up.
kick, Niall.
Pull the right suck up.
Valeria, left side there. That's it. It's your ball, Tony. Run, hustle.
Good defense. Good defense.
Tony, over here.
Tony, far here. Yeah, that's it.
Prepárate, hijo.
Here it comes. Fade out.
Hey, eyes on the players. Forget the ball.
Don't let him get away, Tony. Get in front of him.
He's playing.
Get up.
That's it.
Right, that should be in your back, man. That should be in your back.
Tornado, Niall.
No, I'm fine.
Watching. Go take a picture. Se le salió la...
Pero eso fue.
That's it.
Ese fue.
Valeria, your side. High pressure. High pressure.
Get up there, one of you. Valeria.
Tony, in this side. Eyes on this side here.
Come on, Valeria, it's yours.
When he touches, run fast, run fast.
The ball.
There it
Good
is.
job.
There it is, Tony. Nice.
Watch for the mistake.
Take it
Niall.
from him.
Quítasela, Tony.
Oh, it's a foul. It's a foul. It's a foul. It's a foul.
Métete, Tony, nomás.
Niall, watch for the mistake and jump.
Follow him, Tony. Follow him.
Ya, ahí, Tony, ahí.
Okay.
Good defense, Tony. You got it.
Eyes on him. He will touch.
He's gonna touch and go.
You tap and shoot. Run, Tony. Reduce the space.
To left. There you go. There you go. Great steal.
Quítasela.
Perfect.
Get in a position. Get in position.
Tony. Eso, ahí.
Oh, that's all right. That's all right.
Now, great ball.
Nice play,
Good teamwork. Good
Way to be
teamwork.
calm and look up. Good job.
Way to look up.
Control it from there now.
Yes, high pressure. High pressure is your side.
Take that, Tony.
Watch for the mistake, Niall.
Run. Hustle.
There it is.
Ahí, quítasela.
Yes,
That's
so. Well,
There we go now.
their ball.
Okay, out of bounds.
Yeah.
Valeria, put Valeria down in the middle. Good job. In.
That's handball.
Oh.
Suavecito, nena.
You heard that? You heard that?
Valeria. Suave.
Suave.
Ay, chiquitito.
That hurt. He got hit.
Do you speak
¿Con la
Spanish?
pelota?
Do you speak Spanish?
¿Con la pelota?
Muy claro. Yeah, I speak. I understand, Portuguese is a lot, there's a lot of words similar in Spanish.
No, it's very
You guys
similar, very
talk,
close.
I am kind of get maybe a little bit about what you're talking about. I don't understand all the words.
Yeah.
But at least I know what part you guys are.
Yeah, no, but this is